A very good afternoon to all the Vivites who are watching this wonderful Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor. Well, I'm back again today on a wonderful week start on the Monday afternoon with our flagship product, iPulse. Well, my dear friends, I know you're all enthusiastic to listen about this wonderful product, iPulse, as well as your question and answers to get going on. So in fact we have got a lot of questions as well to get answered today, so which I'll be doing it once I end the short session on this wonderful product, iPulse, my dear friends. Very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching me across India as well as across the globe. Warm welcome to you all again. As I've told you, my dear friends, many times, I would like to repeat this point again. You can start shooting me your questions until I finish a short topic on iPulse. Along with this, I would also request you to host watch parties, because it's very important that people who are not able to watch this live, they can definitely watch this later on or as watch parties later on, so that they will also be benefited by listening to this wonderful series as well. So not only this, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that I'll be coming live every Friday night on Indus Viva INC Facebook page, which is for exclusively for the United States product iVed, wherein I will be speaking about iVed as well as the question and answers pertaining to the wonderful product iVed, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. So please do start shooting me your questions right away. Once I end this short session, I will be taking up the last week's unanswered questions first, followed by the present week's questions. So very warm welcome again to you all. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that now this is immunity and COVID-19 era. Well, why I am telling you these points regularly is to educate you and bring about an awareness within our own fraternity of Indus Viva, our own, the distributors of Indus Viva, stating that, you have been scared by so many other sources about this dreadful disease. But the point of immunity always remains constant. Immunity is one thing that people have to develop. So you guys have to develop for yourselves so that your body gains a lot of resistance, and in future days you will not be suffering from any kind of dreadful diseases as well. I hope the point is clear. Well, on the same note, I would like to tell you one article which appeared on the NDTV dated July 24th, 2020 on the NDTV. One of the scientists from London, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, who is an NRI in London, she is a chief scientist. So she has warned that herd immunity, or a large section of population developing the antibodies against COVID-19, is still a long way off and can be sped up by a vaccine. Well, this is what the world is telling about. As I've been telling most of the times, your herd immunity can be sped up only by the discovery of a vaccine or a medicine, or the other important point is when you are on an immune boosting supplement for a considerable period of time, automatically your immune status can improve, so that your body will gain the best of the best resistance and can fight against dreadful infections. I hope the point is clear to everybody. That is the reason why we normally call all the Indus Viva products as frontline immune boosters. This is a very important mantra that everyone needs to know. All our Indus Viva products are frontline immune boosters. I hope the point is clear. So again, the Times now on 24th of July 2020 has published an article stating that, are we closing to achieve herd immunity against COVID-19? See, Delhi doctors in Delhi, and as well as the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, in fact, they have now told that herd immunity is quite possible in a country like India because of the population level that we have. So that can also be achieved in a faster pace once the people's resistance improves by the consumption of immune boosting supplements. I hope now you have got the relationship between the immune boosting supplements and attaining a community or a population immunity. This is what we exactly called as herd immunity. I hope the point is clear. So not only this, my dear friends, on July the 20th, 2020, the News Medical Life Science, this is a publication which is usually made in the United States of America. These people have told that eating vegetables lowers COVID-19 rates. See how the science is actually going behind the natural products these days. See, after all, these people have been consuming vegetables for many years, but nowadays the scientists are also hoping to get some very good data from these things. Now the scientists are now telling that if you are consuming green leafy vegetables or any vegetables for that matter, definitely the morbidity as well as the mortality rate of this COVID-19 infections are reducing in the world, because these vegetables do contain a lot of fibers for that matter. So these fibers, especially when they are consumed on a regular basis, automatically the infection levels are coming down. This is what the scientists across the world are telling these days. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that our products are rich with natural ingredients only. They are not having any kind of synthetic preservatives or chemicals. So that automatically the natural ingredients are rich with fibers. And these fibers are considered to be one of the best gut support as well as gut immunity support, so that overall immunity of the body can also be enhanced. I hope the point is clear. This is how the natural products can help in building up immunity as well as resistance in the human beings, so that all of us can we can have the best of the best resistance against the dreadful diseases like the COVID. I hope the point is clear. So as you all know that immune booster supplements are being promoted these days, but in fact, an iPulse is a very good immune boosting supplement which has a richness of 15 antioxidant fruits. So one thing people have to consider here is the point that immune boosting is at one point of time, but for that immune boosting capacity, your product should have a lot of antioxidants within them. Whenever your product has a lot of antioxidants within them, only then the immune boosting capabilities of the product can be enhanced. That is the reason why iPulse is considered to be one of the best flagship immune boosting supplements. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, as you all know that iPulse is a very good immune boosting supplement, my dear friends, but at the same point of time, you should also know that iPulse is a wonderful product for heart health also. Please don't forget that point, because that is the reason why I am trying to remind you these points again and again. iPulse is also a wonderful heart protective or cardio protective product because of its antioxidant abilities. As I told you, my dear friends, many of times, but still I want to repeat this for the benefit of everybody. The major risk factors of heart. See, heart disease does not mean it is cardiac arrest or heart attack. Heart disease encompasses everything from diabetes, blood pressure, high cholesterol, lack of exercise, stress, lack of sleep, breathlessness, swelling, puffiness of the face, excessive tiredness or fatigue, bloating, weight gain, weight loss. All these things together encompasses something called as the heart disease. So we need to protect the holistic health of the heart with the help of this wonderful product called as iPulse. I hope the point is clear, because iPulse is considered as a holistic heart support supplement, which means that it encompasses the complete health of the heart, not only targeting one or two conditions of the heart, my dear friends. Whatever I told you right now, all these factors are predisposing symptoms of heart disease, and automatically heart disease can be protected or prevented by the use of this wonderful supplement called as iPulse. Well, as you all know that antioxidants are very much required for the human body. Antioxidants are already present in your body, but they are present in very, very less numbers. How do you enhance that? Whenever you are consuming organic rich fruits, whenever you are consuming a rich of vegetables, fibers, you can get those antioxidants. But unfortunately, we don't have those fruits and vegetables available with us today. That is the reason why you have to consume iPulse at a dose of 30 ml 2 times daily. So this will actually increase the antioxidants which are present inside the body. That is the reason why one of the important benefits of iPulse that we normally propose is increase in the antioxidant numbers or restoring the antioxidant numbers. I hope the point is clear. So whenever the antioxidants are more inside the body, automatically your immune boosting capabilities of the product will also increase. So whenever the immune boosting capabilities of the product increase, your resistance of the body increases towards or against all kinds of dreadful diseases. I hope the dots are joined. So not only this, my dear friends, as you all know that iPulse is a wonderful product containing the richness of an antioxidant superfruit called as acai berry. As you all know that iPulse today stands as a super brand as well. So this acai berry is a wonderful fruit which is indigenous to the forests of South America, the Amazon forests of South America. It is one of the best heart support and antioxidant ingredients. It has an ORAC score of more than 1,02,700, which is nothing but the oxygen radical absorbance assay score. That is what is called as ORAC score. All the antioxidants are actually measured by this ORAC score as well, my dear friends. So as you all know that ORAC score is one thing which decides the capability of an antioxidant, and our product has one of the richest ORAC sources on this planet. So not only this, acai berry is a wonderful ingredient for destroying the cancer cells. It is a best immune system support as well. It is inspired by the space drink. It is used as a food for centuries by the tribal people who are staying in the Amazon forest, and more than 60 to 70 scientific publications are actually seen on this wonderful product iPulse, my dear friends. So not only this, for everybody's information, you have to know that iPulse freeze-dried powder, which is freezed at minus 80 degrees, is actually used in the product. So people have had a doubt because there was a typographical error in one of the KYPs. We have set it right. It is not minus 800 degrees. It is minus 80 degrees where the product is freezed and automatically the powder is made, and that powder is called as the freeze-dried powder. So 14% of acai berry freeze-dried powder is used in our product. The importance of this freeze-drying technique is whatever the quality of the fruit which is present on the tree is actually present in your product. That is how the ORAC score increases in the product. That is how the freshness and the naturalness of the product is preserved inside the product as well, my dear friends. So not only this, as you all know that the World Health Organization has given us a data stating that every human being requires 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. Suppose if you want to get 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants, you need to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh, organically derived garden fruits. But it is quite an impossible situation or a scenario for us right now to consume 3.5 kgs of fresh organ fruits. See, this is very important. So the most important thing is you are not able to get these fruits. That is the reason why whenever you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, that is 30 ml 2 times, you are able to get 7000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. So which is very important for a human body, which is important for us to get such constituents in a particular product as well, my dear friends. Important thing here is you can have a lot of fruits outside. Okay, you can individually eat lot of fruits. As I'm seeing one of the questions here, one of the friends is asking 3000 rupees. I can instead buy fruits. But you can get fruits, but you are not getting the naturalness. You are not getting the actual fruit which is present on the tree. The qualities which are present in the fruit inside the tree is present in your product. You are not able to get the concentrated quality of that particular fruit if you are consuming fruits available in the market. That is what we are putting all the concentrated fruits inside a product and giving it to you. This is your answer. I hope one of the questions I tried to answer here from Mr. Nageshwar Rao. So as I told you, 60 ml of iPulse will give you the ORAC score of 7000 ORAC units. This is very important. Not only this, apart from acai berry, iPulse also has the richness of 14 antioxidant fruits. This is also important, 14 other antioxidant fruits, which is also a very important thing, because as I told you, my dear friend, it is not only one antioxidant fruit, totally a combination of 15 antioxidant fruits in a concentrated form, which is maintaining, which is preserving its nativity, it is preserving its naturalness and the quality. This is very important. The naturalness, the quality of the fruit is maintained in the product, whereas whenever you are eating fruits outside, you are not able to get this. This is what the answer is. So, along with this, as you all know that free radicals are the one which is destroying the human body on a daily basis. So, the free radicals can be neutralized by the consumption of 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis. So whenever you are consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, the free radicals inside the body will be neutralized. So whenever the free radicals are neutralized, automatically the disease or the disorder which are coming in the forthcoming days can also be neutralized. I hope the point is clear. That is how iPulse is actually helping out in maintaining the health, the holistic health of the body, my dear friends. So as you all know that iPulse has very important, significant benefits. The first and the foremost benefit is it strengthens your heart, it inhibits your platelet aggregation, it reduces increased cholesterol levels. So along with this, it also has antioxidant benefits. It protects the cells, it scavenges the free radicals, it strengthens the cell membrane, it restores your antioxidant numbers. It is a very good immune system support, it strengthens your immune system, it enhances the cellular communication, it relieves inflammation, it fights against the virus and bacteria. Not only this, it provides wonderful quality of life in case of cancer patients, and it is also very good for nervous system benefits, especially strengthening the nervous system and memory, and it also is helpful for combating the complications of diabetes. This is very important for combating the complications of diabetes, which is a very, very dreadful condition in a scenario like diabetes, where the cure is not there, but definitely you can combat the complications of diabetes. So well, my dear friends, it is very important, especially in case of diabetes patients, it is important for you to consume 20 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour before your food. It is also good for blood pressure patients. Definitely yes, you can give it in both low blood pressure and high blood pressure. But one thing that everybody needs to take care here is, in case of low blood pressure, it has to be taken half an hour after food, whereas in case of other conditions, it is half an hour before the food. So age limit, when it is considered, from 1 year onwards till 100 years, one can definitely use this iPulse. Time of intake, definitely you can consider morning 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. and even in the night it is 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Definitely one can use this iPulse. During pregnancy and lactation, it is very important, especially during the first 6 months of pregnancy, you can give iPulse, but after 6 months it is better not to be given. But during lactation or breastfeeding, it is always important for you to give this 1 month after the delivery. Okay, I hope the point is clear. So over and all, when you consider the dosage of iPulse, it is 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. But in conditions like low hemoglobin, low body weight and low blood pressure, it has to be given 30 minutes after the food. I hope the point is clear. In all other conditions, it is before the food. So this is what I had to present as a short topic today. Well, my dear friends, this is a question answer time. So thanks for your patient watching again. So we will talk about the question and answers now. Let me take the previous week's questions before I take up the next week's questions. So today my colleague Ms. Santoshini has collected the questions for us. So the first question that I am taking is from Mr. Mohammad Pasha. If you are watching this, how iPulse is helpful for acidity and how can I recommend for acidity people as well as ulcers? As I told you, Mr. Mohammad Pasha, iPulse is a very good product for gastrointestinal diseases or acid peptic disorders as we call. But one thing is very important here. Initially during the days of consumption, what exactly happens is there will be this acid refluxes which can happen inside the body because of the detoxification procedures. So because of this detoxification procedures, what will happen is there will be a bit of gastric irritation which can happen now and then. So don't have to worry about it. You can give this product 30 ml twice daily, but ask the patient to drink around 3.5 to 4 liters of water on a daily basis so that the initial gastric refluxes can be relaxed or can be minimized. I hope the point is clear to you. The next question is from Ms. Himabindu. If Ms. Himabindu is watching this, sir, is iPulse good for brain operated patients? Absolutely good, because Ms. Himabindu, if you are interested, please log on to our iPulse.in website. There is a validation tab. Please click on the validation tab. The iPulse publication will appear. So you please read the iPulse publication. In fact, the publication is done on post-operative convalescence period. Any kind of a surgery, after the surgery, the immunity will reduce down. The person's ability of thinking or stress levels will increase. So during that time, consumption of iPulse is very important to come out of that convalescence stage. We call it as a convalescence stage, which is nothing but a recovery stage after surgery. iPulse is a very important product. You can definitely give 30 ml 2 times. But always remember, if a person is diabetic, it is always important for you to give 20 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour before food. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Alston Greg Toro. If you are watching this, is iPulse good for convulsions? As I told you right now, one of the important attributes of iPulse is neurological problems. Definitely you can give this as a generalized health supplement at a dose of 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before your food. But one important thing, Mr. Toro, if you are watching this, below 1 year of age, iPulse should not be given, so that even if the convulsions are there, iPulse might not be beneficial below 1 year of age. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Sai Kumar Datta. Is iPulse used during dialysis also? As I've told you before as well in the series, all our products for that matter, on the day of dialysis, they should not be used. On the other days after the dialysis, for example, if a person is undergoing dialysis for 2 days in a week. Please stop the products on 2 days of the week. The remaining days, iPulse can be given safely along with the other products also. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Chandrama Kalita. If you are seeing this, can iPulse be suggested for patients with bypass surgery? Absolutely yes. That's what I've been telling. Post-surgery or pre-surgery, as a post-operative convalescent drink, you can definitely give a generalized health supplement like iPulse. Please start at a dose of 30 ml twice daily. The next question is from Mr. Nitin Kayasti. If Mr. Nitin is seeing this, what is the dosage of iPulse for 1 year baby? You can definitely give 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food itself. The next question is from Ms. Anita Das. If you are watching this, is iPulse helpful for asthmatic conditions? Please suggest. So one important thing that people have to know here is, if you are having acute asthma attacks, okay, nowadays especially, this is one of the dreadful periods for such asthma attacks. So what I suggest is, you can definitely give 30 ml iPulse 2 times, but do not give it in very cold condition. Please do not refrigerate the product. If you are refrigerating the product, please keep it out of the refrigerator until it comes to room temperature. Once it comes to the room temperature, then you can give the product to the asthmatic patient. Please do not give the product in very cold condition. This is very important. When it is given in very cold condition, automatically the triggering of the asthma can happen. I hope the point is clear. One important tip I want to give you here. Suppose if someone is suffering from asthma and giving this product, what you can do is, for 30 ml of the product, you can add around 30 ml of warm water, mix it up, dilute it, and then you can give it. So automatically the asthmatic conditions can be reduced. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Mohan Bajgain. Mr. Mohan Bajgain is seeing this. Sir, if one person has diabetes with cardiovascular, how to consume iPulse and iCoffee? Very good question. You can definitely suggest them iCoffee Creamer and iPulse. iCoffee Creamer must be the first product. After that, leave a gap of 15 minutes, then give 20 ml of iPulse. Leave a gap of 15 minutes, then they can have breakfast. The similar thing can be followed in the night also. The first product is iCoffee Creamer, leave a gap of 15 minutes. Second product is iPulse, leave a gap of 15 minutes, then have the food. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Hardik Shah. If Mr. Hardik Shah is watching this, how iPulse helps in spastic kids? So far as the spasticity is concerned, Mr. Hardik, one thing I would like to tell you here, it's a very good product for neurological problems, but so far as the genetic problems are concerned, we don't guarantee anything. But definitely as a generalized health supplement, you can give this product in case of those kids as well, but not below 1 year of age. It should be above 1 year of age. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Menta Anil Kumar. How iPulse and iCoffee can be consumed? As I told you, iCoffee must be the first product. Leave a gap of 15 minutes, then 30 ml of iPulse. Leave a gap of 15 minutes, then consume your breakfast or dinner in the night. I hope the point is clear. First product is iCoffee, second should be iPulse. So the next question is from Mr. Shriram. Sir, my cousin is having PCOD and hypothyroidism. What would be the dosage of iPulse? So Mr. Shriram, if your diagnosis is the polycystic ovarian disease, I would suggest both iCoffee and iPulse in this condition. Same thing, iCoffee should be the first, iPulse should be the second product. iCoffee should be half sachet 2 times, whereas iPulse should be 30 ml 2 times. I hope the point is clear. First product should be iCoffee, second should be iPulse. The next question is from Mr. Basavaraj Chitli. If you are watching this, one of my friend is having problem of acidity. Can I suggest iPulse? Absolutely. As I have answered it before, you can definitely suggest iPulse 30 ml 2 times, but drink a lot of water for the first 15 days, 3.5 to 4 liters of water. I hope the point is clear. So I will be coming to the next set of questions now. The first question is from Miss Alia Sultana. If Miss Alia Sultana is watching this, can iPulse be used for osteosclerosis? Otosclerosis. Otosclerosis is nothing but hardening of the eardrum. That is what otosclerosis is. So at the age of 45 years, as I told you, like, this is a very good neurological product for the neurological issues as well. But so far as the ear complaints are concerned, we don't have enough testimonies and enough data with us to state that this is a good product for a kind of an ear problem. See, since I don't have a backup data with me, I don't suggest this for any kind of ear related issues directly. But as a generalized antioxidant product, you can definitely consider to use this product at a dose of 30 ml 2 times for generalized health benefits. I hope the point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Rohit Sheikh. Rohit Sheikh is asking this. Gastric problem patient dosage of IPULS, as I have told you, 30 ml twice daily can be used without any problems, but the consumption of water, around 3.5 to 4 liters of water, is very important. So the next question is from Mr. Vicky Metai. Mr. Vicky Metai, if you are seeing this, can IPULS be indicated in pigmentation issues? As I told you, definitely as a skin health supplement, it can be used at a dose of 30 ml 2 times, at least for a period of 6 months. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Ms. Chandrama Kalita. Can IPULS be given to patient of bypass surgery? I think I have answered this question, Ms. Chandrama. I hope you have heard this answer. The next question is from Mr. Vamshidhar. Dialysis patients, as I told you, on the day of dialysis, IPULS and other products should not be used. Apart from that, on any other days, IPULS and the other products can be used safely in the patients. I hope the point is clear. The next question is from Ms. Yasmin Ashu. Can sugar patients use IPULS? If how you have to use it? As I told you, for diabetes patients, it is always important to use 20 ml of IPULS twice daily. So you have to use 20 ml of IPULS twice daily so that enough benefits can be obtained of this product, my dear friends. So the next important thing that I am taking here is from Mr. Gio Rigas Thomas. If I am spelling your name properly, sugar level is low. Can we suggest IPULS? Absolutely yes. You can still suggest 30 ml 2 times, half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear. It is 30 ml 2 times, half an hour after the food, my dear friends. So the next question is from Mr. Sailu Deepak. Can we recommend IPULS for ANA condition? See, ANA conditions in the sense anti-nuclear antibodies. So probably the diseases are too much. So probably if I have to consider a condition like rheumatoid arthritis, where the ANA, the antibodies will be more. So even in such condition, definitely you can consider the use of IPULS, 30 ml twice daily, but half an hour after the food is always important. I hope the point is clear to you. So in most of the cases of, we call it as the autoimmune conditions, it is very important for you to consume IPULS half an hour after the food. That is always important, where people have to think about it. So the next question that I am taking here is, can IPULS be used for people suffering from Alzheimer's disease? I would suggest you to consume both iCoffee and IPULS in combination with each other. So definitely the results can be obtained. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Shabreen Zehra. Is IPULS effective for the kid who has spinal cord problem and not able to sit? Anybody above 1 year of age, you can definitely suggest 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food. So the next question is from Mr. Burgula Chaitanya. Is IPULS good for malaria, dengue and typhoid? So Mr. Burgula Chaitanya, what I am trying to tell you here is, this is a generalized health supplement and an immune booster. I am not trying to talk about pinpointed diseases. I am trying to tell the root cause of the disease, the basis of the disease. Whenever the root cause of the disease is tackled, whenever the root cause of the disease is managed, automatically the disease can also be managed. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Mr. Dilip Gokulam. Is IPULS good for female related issues? Absolutely yes. In combination with iCoffee creamer, you can definitely use it in gynecological problems of women. So the next question that I am seeing, okay. So the next question is, can IPULS be helpful in leprosy patients? This is from Ms. Pravalika. Ms. Pravalika, as I told you, as a generalized health supplement, you can give this product to a leprosy patient who is already on some anti-leprotic drugs, actually, anti-leprosy drugs. So that is how you need to manage this condition. I hope the point is clear. 30 ml 2 times, half an hour before the food can be the generalized dose. Mr. Ravi Singh is asking me, spinal cord and spondylitis patient. Absolutely, Mr. Ravi Singh. 30 ml 2 times as a part of the neurological disease, this can be used. Mr. Krishnakant is asking me a question on epilepsy or fits. Definitely as a generalized health supplement, you can give it, there is no issue. Ms. Nandini Chitakula, can IPULS be useful in mentally retarded patients? See, again, the purpose is important here. I am not trying to talk about relieving the mental retardation, no. I'm just speaking about a generalized health supplement or an immune supplement which can help us out in managing these conditions. I hope the point is clear. Mr. Mohan Rao is asking this. For your kind information, baby is 9 years old. Definitely you can suggest 30 ml 2 times of iPulse. Mr. Lukam Hakim is asking about the Wilson's disease. Again, I am trying to tell you Wilson's disease is excess copper deposition in the human body. It is always important. They use a lot of other medications. iPulse can be just a generalized health supplement at 30 ml 2 times. This cannot manage Wilson's disease. I hope the point is clear. So, my dear friends, I'm just taking up the last set of questions now. Okay, Mr. Vanita Shekhar is asking me a question. Ms. Vanita Shekhar is asking, can we suggest iPulse for thalassemia patients? Well, in thalassemia cases, I would suggest you 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear. So Mr. Nageshwar Rao is asking me a question, can we stop using the product after 6 months? It can be consumed even after 6 months up to a period of 1 year. But if you are stopping at 6 months, there is no issues. I hope the point is clear. The next question is from Mr. Ramesh Surappa. Can diabetic people use iPulse? Definitely, I have told you 20 ml twice daily. It can be used half an hour before the food. Not 30 ml, 20 ml twice daily. Mr. Varun Jain is asking me a question. Different types of arthritis. Can iPulse be used? In case of osteoarthritis, Mr. Varun Jain, it is half an hour before the food. In case of rheumatoid arthritis, it is always half an hour after the food. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is from Pradeep Sharma. As I think I've answered the Alzheimer's disease again. Ms. Pravalika, leprosy, I think I've answered you this. Okay, I hope the questions are okay right now. I know that there are a lot of questions again, so don't worry about it. We will be able to take your questions and answer you as well, my dear friends. So don't worry, by the next Monday, we'll take the unanswered questions first, followed by the present week's questions also. So thank you so much, Vivites, for patiently watching this. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences. Have a nice day. Bye.